Now we come to the types of the cells, primitive and the centered unit cells, and we have seen that they are of two types. So actually we are saying this, that our unit cells are of two types, the primitive and the centered. Okay, the primitive unit cell is what? It is a unit cell with points at all the corners, right? It is a cell with lattice points at the corners, or they are technically called vertices of the cell. Okay, the primitive unit cell. The next is the centered unit cell. The centered unit cell, as the name suggests, has something at the center, and depending on what center we are talking about, there are three types of them. Three types. The first is the body centered unit cell. What does it mean? There is a lattice site or lattice point at the center of the unit cell. Center of the unit cell. Then we have face centered. There's a lattice point at the centers of all the faces. Lattice point at the center of all the faces. Okay, all the faces. Third, there is an end centered, right? The end centered unit cell. So it has the body centered, the face centered, the end centered. So lattice point at the center of the two opposite faces. Fine. Apart from those at corners, here too, apart from those at corners. Okay.